Good morning, guys. I want to go over yesterday's work, a few of the problems, and you're going to have a few less to do on your own today, all right? All right, so if you still have yesterday's paper, see if you can grab it. What was the key word here for number 2, for good old Andre? Perpendicular, right? So I circled that one, and I jotted down that's 90 degrees. So you're not just looking for a line of symmetry, you need one that is perpendicular to a side, okay? So if you look here, well, this is no good. That's not even a line of symmetry, is it? Because this half is not equal to this half, so I'm going to eliminate that one. This one does have a line of symmetry. It's equal on both sides. Now, does this make a right angle at the top? No, that's not a right angle there. Does it make a right angle at the bottom when it hits the side? Yeah, I think that's definitely a right angle. So that's a right angle, and that's what makes it perpendicular, or 90 degrees, right? And before I circle that B, I'm going to check them all, right? Always check them all, see if you can eliminate them. So this is a line of symmetry. It's horizontal. But I don't think that's 90 degrees there, the way it runs into that side. Definitely not over there. And down here, same deal. It is a line of symmetry, but it's just not perpendicular with the side. Okay? So B is the one you want there. All right? Over here, number 6, 3 sets. So it's not just 3 lines, it's 3 sets. So that's a set of parallel lines, right? They go the same direction. These guys are parallel. These guys are parallel. 2 lines that are parallel is a set. So 2, 4, 6. I think you're going to have 6 sides, and that's why that regular hexagon's the one to go with. Let's talk one more here. The clock. So you know that this is all 90 degrees, right? From 12 to 3. And if all the hours are equal, I think that means that you could just do 90 divided by 3, right? So this one would be 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. And if you add another hour, just another 30 degrees. So I put down 30 times 4 on some papers, because that way you can get 120. Okay? All right, let's talk 12 here. Why not? Whoop. There it is. So the carpenter measured 2 adjacent angles. I think we talked about this word once or twice. Isn't this something that's next to something? The measure of the smaller angle was 28 degrees. Both made a right angle. So if I just draw like a basic right angle, and I have 2 small angles in there. I know the bigger one, we don't know, so I'll put a question mark. But the smaller one is 28. It's kind of like up on the clock. The whole thing is 90. So what do? Take the whole thing minus the part, get the other part, right? So 90 minus 28, you could even type that in, 62 degrees, okay? All right, guys, that is yesterday's. Gotta move my papers around. Today you're doing these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 problems for you, okay? Great job showing your work. That's really what I wanted to see. And remember, if you can't find the right answer, find the wrong answer, okay? I think the only thing I want to change is, let's make this A, B, C, D. Maybe I can change that before I get it in the Schoology, okay? All right, do these 8, show your work, and send them back in. And you can check yesterday's feedback. Everybody has their paper check so you can see what you did well and what you have to work on, okay? All right, go to it, guys. Have a good one.